Hello, how are you doing? I hope you're great. And today, as you see on my PC, I just installed cumulative update for Windows 11 inside the preview, build number 10.0.22621.1028, KGB number 5021866, and as you see, I'm downloading and I install. It is the latest. And security update we have for Windows 11 22H2 for 64 base system, KGB 5012178, and cumulative for Net Framework 3.5 and 3.8.1 for Windows 11 version 22H2, and it is I will wait to complete everything and then I will start PC. Now my window is see as you see now. It's build number 22621.963 and it is the version what is on my PC now, and I will download on this Windows 11 Insider Preview. We have two build number as you see here. No, it's KGB and this is build number, like I said, 28. So guys, go to your PC and update your Windows to latest build and see what is have new features, and I hope bug fixes and whatever. So guys, for now, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and that will be all for now. And bye.